Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. This video will be a part of the challenge for the boys, and I have 4 lovely ladies who are joining me for this challenge. As you know, we do it monthly, and we have created some amazing DIY for men's in our life. So if you would like to know what I have made this month, please continue watching. Okay, so this is the first time I'm gonna be trying to use my Cricut iron press machine. So I got my son's 2 masks. They are black and he wants the Steelers logo on it, so I printed out. And what I'm gonna do, so it says to use this for 315 Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. So it's, you can see this is heating up. I'm gonna move it to the side, and what I'm gonna use this Dollar Tree pillow, and I'm gonna try to stretch out the mask and pin it with my T-pins to it, so this way I will, when I put my thing on, it will go right on the middle. So because it is a mask and you know how it is. So what I'm gonna do, use the push pins, well, the T-pins, and I don't want to stretch out too much, but enough for it to be even when I push on it. So just see, it's not that big, so there you go. Okay, let me put one more to the side, and it says my Cricut is ready, so we're gonna see. There you go. I think it's good enough. So what it says to put the iron on to kind of make it warm, I guess. So that's what I did. And now I'm gonna put the sticker on it right in the middle. Just like that. And now I'm gonna put my easy press, and I guess we're gonna push the timer. And go with it and see if it's gonna work. Because yeah, it's my first time, never done it. Watch a lot of tutorials, but you know, it says do not press on it too hard, just rest your hand. Well, I'm resting, so we'll see. And it says to do it from the opposite side too. I don't know how this is gonna work. Oh, it's hot, so but I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna flip it over, make sure it's laying, yeah, and just put on it, and there you go. And do another 30 seconds on this side, and then we'll let it cool off, and we'll peel the sticker off of it and see how if it transferred or not. Okay. Here we go. Now check it out. It actually worked. Some kind of hair stuck to it. Wow, cool. It worked. Okay, now let me take the push pins off and see how it looks on the mask. Here we go. And the mask is done. I'll do the same thing to the second one. And I'm sure you don't want to watch me doing it again. But this is my first iron-on sticker. I think it turned out pretty cool. I think he's going to be happy. Okay, guys, for this project, we'll be using a Dollar Tree rubbed floor mat. Then I did this Steelers stencil using my Cricut, but again, you don't have to do that. You can print it on your 8x10 regular printer and then cut out and make your own stencils. So I just have it handy, so I'll use it. And of course, we'll be using the paint for the colors, which is gray, red, yellow, and blue. So it's gonna be a really easy and a really cute project for our band. Okay, so this is done. I think it turned out pretty cute. I'm gonna let it dry. I wish this stencil would be a little better, but it is what it is, you know. Never know with stencils. So you could tell that it's a Steelers. That's all that counts. I think my husband's gonna like it. It's a perfect carpet for his garage. So, well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think everything turned out pretty cool, and both of my men are really happy with my creations. Please don't forget to check out my 4 lovely friends. Their information will be linked in the description below, along with the playlist with all their videos. I can't wait to go back and watch what they have made. But for me, that is all for today, and I will see you in my next DIY video real soon. Bye for now.